Hey Kipsters, I want to show you how to upload your artwork onto ArtSonia. So you are going to go to artsonia.com/class. And I'll be posting this website also on Dojo, so you can go to a direct link if you need to as well. Once you're there, your screen is going to look like this. Again, right up here is the website. I'm going to highlight the part you need. You don't need all of the extra stuff that shows up after you type in the website. So again, it's artsonia.com/class. And once you're there, it's going to ask you for an access code. The access code, and it can be lowercase or uppercase, it doesn't matter, is JWWN, and a little side dash sign, DBJB. So again, JWWN DBJB. When you log in, it will ask you to type in your first name. I'm going to use one of my students from the last semester, so you can kind of see what it looks like. I'm going to type in her name. So sometimes it'll include your apostrophe. If you're having trouble finding your name, please dojo me. You should be able to see your name. Whether your parent has given permission for your artwork to be on the public site, it doesn't matter. ArtSonia has kind of forgiven that for right now, so you can do online stuff. So I'm going to make sure it has your grade next to it, because there are multiple Michaelas or multiple Jeremiahs or Javions, those kind of things. So make sure it says your grade next to it. Click on your name, and then it's going to take you to your ArtSonia page. So for Mikia, this is all of the art she created last semester when I had her. You can go into these and check them out. You hit view details. And you can add a title for your art. You can add statements. I have to approve everything before it gets put on the website, but you can go in and give titles and stuff to your past art. But what I'd like you to do while you're here, you can look at this stuff, like I said, and add things to it. But to upload a new artwork, you're going to go into Add New Artwork. And the project I just assigned you guys today is the abstract self-drawing. So this one right here. You're going to click on that. And you're going to select an image or a video. So you already have to have your artwork on your phone or on your laptop or on your iPad or whatever you're using. You're going to go select image. And it's going to look different depending on what device you're using. If you're using the Chromebook, this is what it's going to look like. So I actually have my image right here for you guys to see. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to hit open. So it should have the image there, and I'm going to hit upload now. Once I've done this, and it should take a minute or two to upload, you're going to see it over here. Now I have like the table around it, and I don't want to see that. So you can actually rotate the photo to the direction you want. You can crop it, so that way all you're seeing is the artwork and not the table or couch or whatever you have surrounding your picture. You can hit apply. And this looks upside down from what I had it at. So I'm going to keep rotating till I like it. Right there. Should be good. Yep. Don't do auto fix or brighten, because if you do color your picture, it is going to change the colors. So only rotate or crop. If you don't like what it's doing, you can always reset and try it again. Once I'm happy with the cropping and the rotate that I do, I'm going to hit accept. After I hit accept, it's going to ask me to enter a title. You get to name your art whatever you want. My suggestion is that it's a title to go along with what the art looks like. So to me, it's a bunch of shapes and lines that represent me. So I'm going to put my shapes. I need to capitalize shapes and lines, because it's shapes and lines about me. You can come up again with whatever title you want. You also don't even need to name it. See, it says optional. You get to choose whether you want it or not. Once you're happy with your title, you're going to hit submit to teacher. And that submits it to me so I can approve it. After that, it's going to ask you to put in an artist statement. This just needs to be 1 to as many sentences as you want describing about your art. So I gave it a little prompt and asked you to tell me about your picture. For an example, I put a zigzag line because I can speak German and English. So I put in here those triangles, as you saw in the video. I put 3 triangles. Oops, if I can spell triangle, triangles that represent my brother. He is 3 years older than me. Okay. You can put you can explain the whole picture if you want for me, or you can just write 1 or 2 sentences like I did. It is completely up to you. You have 5,000 words you could write. So up to you. Do remember I'm going to see everything you type. So make sure you're kind of working on your spelling. I'm not going to be grading you on your spelling, but here would be an opportunity to kind of practice as well as your typing skills. So once you're happy with what you wrote, please read over and make sure everything looks good. I put 3 triangles that represent my brother, period. He is 3 years older than me. Cool. So once I'm happy with it, I'm going to hit submit to teacher. And then it's going to take you to this like summary page. So it shows the picture you uploaded. It shows what you put for your title. It shows what you put for your statement. And then you're good to go. So if you go back to your gallery, you'll see that artwork is there, and you'll see that it says in review. Once I approve it, it will say approved like it does down here for this photo. So once it's approved, it'll be up on our website. For right now, it's hidden, and you'll see it, or I'll see it on my side, approve it, and then get it uploaded for you. We will do this for every project the rest of the time that we are doing online learning together, so you can keep building your online portfolio. Remember, a portfolio is a collection of all of your work. So this is a collection of all of Makia's work from the semester that she did. And your artwork that you've done so far is already on there as well. When you're done, you can log out, and then you're good to go.